Alright, welcome back folks. Let's dive into JavaScript objects. Let's go ahead and create our first object, which we'll call person. Var person equals. Now this time we're going to use curly brackets. Basically you'll hold down shift and press the bracket button that you would use for arrays, and it's going to produce a curly bracket. Name Jane Doe. Age 37. Now what I've just done is I have created a JavaScript object, person, and inside of person we have the string name and the number age. Let's go ahead and log that and see what it prints out. Console.log person. If I run it, you'll see it comes out an object, name, Jane Doe, age 37. Now how do I access this object's information? What we can do is simply type person.name, run it, and out comes Jane Doe. In the same way, if I want to access the age, I can person.age, Jane Doe, and then 37. Log in the name, log in the age. Now if we want to add to our person object, we can do it by simply typing person dot birth underscore year equals 1979. Now if we log it and run, we'll see birth year is now one of the properties of the object. Let's say in this case we have the birth year, but we're going to make sure the age matches up. I'm going to show you how to modify a property on an object. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to manually type in person.age equals 2015 minus person.birth year. Then I'm going to log the person's real age. Aha! The person is actually 36 years old. Lastly, to confirm that it actually stored the age and didn't just print it out, we can print it out again, and as you see here, Jane Doe is actually 36. Birth year is 1979. Next, I will show you an array of objects. Let's call it people. Var people equals. Now since we're doing an array, we're going to open it up with brackets. And to keep this simple, I'm going to have this span a few lines. So let's open and close it, just to show you that you can do this over multiple lines. Let's just log it, and it is an empty array. So let's have an array of people. So name, Jane Doe, age. We found out Jane Doe is actually 36. And let's bring back John Doe, age 17. And lastly, let's of course include Modo. He is a little older. He is 78. So now when I log people, it's going to print out 3 objects. If I click on this little caret here, it shows you the index, as we discussed before, of each object. So the index will start at 0, and 0 refers to Jane Doe. 1 refers to John Doe. And 2 refers to Modo. And of course, the length of this array is 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go through this people array and find the average age, which we'll do in the next lecture.